Well, there's been all kinds of transport on view at the Showman Show in the last couple of days. We've had buses, we've had golf buggies, but we haven't yet looked at any motorbikes. But this is one of our Inch Perfect trial bikes. Tom, how's the show been for you so far?
Yeah, it's all been going really well. We've had a good morning. I know yesterday it was a little bit wet, so it was there weren't as many people yesterday, and it's hard to get people going sometimes when it's raining. It's a bit dull, but the sun's out today, and it's all going really well. It's gone really well so far.
So at various special events across the country, you put on your shows, and I'm guessing your bike riders who at the moment they've just gone off to get some lunch, I think. Yeah. But they're the best in the business, aren't they?
Yeah, I mean obviously the two lads that we've got, the basically some of the best riders in Britain at the moment. You've got obviously Matthew Alp and Ross Crosby, two really good names. If you're into trials riding, you'll know the two. And this was a bit of a brainchild that Matt had quite a long time ago, now about 5 years ago, and it's just gone from strength to strength really. We've got some big shows now, corporate events. We're doing experience days as well, which is something that people are enjoying that side of it. If they've rode sort of road bikes before, it makes sense for them to have a bit of a go at maybe trials riding or whatever. It's a different discipline, and it's a good sport. It's a good thing to get into, and we are at the moment, it's all about having a laugh and having, we don't take ourselves too seriously. There's some guys who are really in it to, in it to win it, and we're just, if you like it and you think it's funny and you're into it, then great, let's work with you. We've been all over. We've done Isle of Lewis, Orkney Islands, we've been all the way down South Island, we've been all over the place, and we haven't actually gone into Europe or anything yet. We've sort of stayed UK based, but there's been some really good positive feedback from it, and some good shows have come from the back of that, like British Superbikes and stuff.
Now this is your second show. You did the Showman Show last year. What kind of jobs and gigs did you get from last year?
Yeah, I mean, last year we got a very good one, which was the British Motorcycle Federation, the BMF shows. Those have come off, and again, we've done them this year, which was obviously from last year. Those have been done this year, and they've rebooked us for next year as well, so that's all gone well, Probably the biggest one's been the British Superbikes. We got, it was a bit of an idea they had to try and bring in some more families into the Superbike thing. So we did Brands Hatch and Cadwell Park, all right, which went really well. And they've booked us for all 9 for next year, so that's even better. We've had some really good feedback from this show. It's gone really good, which is why we're here again.
And the sun's shining this time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yesterday we're like, I'm driving down. It was like a monsoon. Did you see it? That rainstorms. It were like if there'd have been palm trees and like tsunamis. It'd have all blended in. So yeah, we're a bit crazy, but yeah, the sun's out today, which is always good. It's always good to get some sun on your face. I'm not a bit peaky anyway. But
well, thanks very much, Tom. Come down and check out the bikes. The boys will be doing various shows across the day. We're going to check some out later on. So thanks very much, Tom.
Fantastic.